guys, good afternoon. Today magluluto tayo ng stir-fry whole chicken breast, okay? Samahan niyo ako ng aking pagluluto. Ito ay isang whole chicken breast stir-fry, okay? This is our marinated 2 whole chicken breast. I'll just marinate it with salt and garlic. Put the marinated sauce with lemon, guys, or calamansi. So at this point, guys, we are going to add pepper, so i-flip over natin siya, guys, immediately. Yun. So, just a minute to flip over. And then, hinaan natin ang ating apoy, guys. Turn low heat. And then, i-cover up natin, guys. Just cover up. We are going to simmer this for 5 minutes. First, 2 whole chicken breast stir fry. Yun ang ating pamagat ng ating niluluto sa araw na to. So, I'll show you guys what I've got here. So, I've got lemongrass. Why my light is too become very... So, this is our lemongrass, red onion, brown onion, and tomatoes. Lagay natin ang we are going to add our Spanish paprika, guys. This is just optional. And now we are going to add, guys, our we have to make our fire high. We have to add our lemongrass, our chili, and our, of course, our tomatoes. So I've used 4 tomatoes for the 2 whole chicken breast. At saka our brown onions, and we have our red onions here. Ano lang, guys, ganyan lang siya, guys. Then additional a little bit of pepper, ground pepper. Oh shit, that's around 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and then a sprinkle of our salt. To sprinkle a little bit of rock salt. Tapos, i-cover up natin. This is 5 minutes. Simmering for 5 minutes. Then, i-flip over natin, guys. Then, yun na natin. Kain na. I believe I can fly. So, yun na yun. Napakabilis lang itong lutuin, guys, yung ating chicken breast. Kasi ano lang siya kasi, guys. Hi! Napaka-ano lang ito, guys. Yun. At napaka-healthy pa siya. You can, yes, like that. Hinaan lang ang apoy, guys, para ang luto niya, guys, ay hindi bigla. Okay? So, yun, guys, oh. Yun na yun. Yun ang ating 2 whole chicken breast. So, isimmer natin, guys, for 5 minutes. In a low heat, guys. Napaka-low heat talaga. So, in a wok, guys, I will add a little bit of oil just to saute my potatoes. My potato slices that I cut potatoes here, guys, that I slices. So this is already cooked because I blanch it, and yeah, just going to be, make it brown. Guys, that is our potato slice that is already cooked, but I'm still going to brown it. So wow, the smell is, look at the skies. I know, I know. So we have our tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Before I did not eat tomatoes, but now I love it. Super love it, guys. So our breast, guys, is cooked already. So flip over ko once again, guys, before I am going to i-check natin properly, guys, pag cook na ba yung ating ang nakasarap nito, guys, sa okay, doki dok. So another 2 minutes. 2 minutes na lang din. 2 minutes. Kita ninyo, guys, how sarap it is. So napakasarap naman ito. Ang ating even now. Yep. Takasan natin ang apoy ng 1 minute para pwede na natin mag-platings na tayo din. Sarap nito, guys. Ito lang, guys, oh. Yung asin lang. Yun lang. But look, napaka-healthy. Wow. And, yeah. Nilakasan ko ang apoy ko, guys, for 1 minute. So, what you can do, guys, is just flip over. Yun lang yung magawa nyo, guys. And another 1 minute. 1 minute equals 1 minute. So, we have our potatoes. So, here we go. Everything is done. This is now our final product, guys. Look. Final products, okay? Now we are going to put in our plates. Mag-plating tayo ngayon. Ngayon ang simula ng ating buhay. Kanta-kantahan lang, guys. Kain na. So, so this is our tea for tonight, guys. Dinner. This is our dinner. Yes, 1 chicken breast for my, my love, and 1 chicken breast for myself. And now, and finally now, I'm going to add our tomatoes. This is a lovely tomatoes, guys. Wow. Napakasarap dito, guys. tomatoes, and I will also put mine tomatoes. No lemongrass. And I will also add our one chili at the top of the tomatoes. And this I'm pretty sure we are not going to eat this, but that's all that's for our platings design. So now I'm going to get my big spoon. So I'm going to add now our, so this is our brown onion, guys. Our brown onion is here. So that's our brown onion. I'm going to move that over there. So we have a nice plating, okay? So that's for my love. And imo, ako, imo. That's it. So that's it. So we have a juice, a little bit of juice for the chicken breast. Add a little bit of blah blah blah. So the remaining, guys, is the lemongrass, okay? Oh guys, now thank you for watching to my channel, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. This is our tea for tonight, whole chicken breast stir fry with veggies, okay? Have a good time. God bless. Bye.